Okay, so what do we do?
So first you want to open the app right here. It's called Napstu. So double click on the app. Alright, and this will open. So this will give you a list of all the scanners we have available. And then your next job is just to identify which scanner you were using. We got these are feeder scanners. You just put the paper through, and these are flatbed scanners that you just put the paper down on. And in this case, since we're using just this document, we're just going to use a feeder scanner. It's much easier. So I'll just put the paper through, and then
So so you said that the first thing that I gotta do
just
is
open this
is
app.
open this app, eh?
Yeah,
So where's that app
it's
again?
right there. Maps
Oh,
two.
it's okay. It's right there, right
Yeah,
there. Okay,
Maps two.
okay. Just click on that.
Yeah, double click on
Okay,
that, and then
and then that comes up.
yeah, it
Okay,
just comes up.
okay. So is there there's like two scanners. Is there a
Yes.
difference between the two?
So this is a flatbed scanner, which means that usually you come see it this way.
Yeah,
So you usually place your paper down this way,
yeah.
and then after you're done, like prep it, put it down, and then you press scan.
Yeah.
But the disadvantage to this one is that it doesn't do double sided if you have a double sided paper, which means you have to keep changing it up and down all the time.
Okay.
But with these ones, these are like the feeder type.
Yeah.
So you just put the paper through, make sure it fits in the alignments, and then we'll just change the setting for this one so that it scans both sides at the same time in one go.
Okay. The other one does not do double sided.
It only does one sided.
Only okay. This one does double sided.
Does double sided.
But you just have to do that setting, right?
Yeah, you have to
Okay.
change the setting.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
But the
So
quality on both
it's the same.
the quality on both are the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then once we're here, we'll just click profile. You only do this if you're doing like double sided scanning, right?
Yeah.
If you're not doing double sided scanning, you'll just put the paper through like this, find the name, and then press scan, right?
Okay. So you
But
have to if you're doing double sided, you have to click that profile.
yeah, click profile,
Profile. Yeah.
and then you just go down and find your scanner name. So this is called the Canon DRC225.
Yeah.
So we'll just find it here. So Canon DRC225. Click on that, and then you go to edit.
Mhm.
Right? So now you see it right here. Paper source. We'll choose duplex for it. Duplex being two-sided, right?
Okay.
And then after that, we'll just press OK. And then we're just good to scan now. So just click it and then scan. And then you'd see it just feed it through.
Okay. So what if I have like sometimes I have like assignments that are like 10 pages long.
Yes, so 10 pages will probably be good enough for this.
Yeah.
You just feed it through,
Yeah.
like in whatever order you find normal.
Yeah.
And then you just click print. And then with this one, what it does that you don't have to choose the amount of pages that you're scanning. It will just detect automatically, and it will just keep scanning until there's nothing else in it.
So like if I had like 10 pages, could I
Yeah.
put all 10 right in like that?
Yes, as long as it fits and does not jam the scanner, right?
Yeah. So
You just
so
click
even if I had like 20 pages, I put all 20 right in there.
20, I'll say it's a bit too much. I'll say
Okay.
keep it at 10. for
10.
now.
Okay. So just
Yeah.
put all 10 right in there.
Yep.
And then it'll just keep sucking it up one by one.
One by one.
Au-
Exactly.
automatically, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, all right. And sometimes like I know I have like a fax machine
Yeah.
that does kind of the same thing.
Yeah.
But sometimes like the fax machine you can't really trust it to always like suck it up, right?
Yeah.
But these machines, is it pretty like
It's pretty
it's
accurate.
pretty accurate, right?
Yeah.
It'll keep taking all it'll keep sucking them all up, right?
Yeah. And,
Okay.
and if anything, if it jams, you can literally just pull it down.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
And your paper should not get stuck or torn apart.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you mean by pull it down?
Like you
Oh, if
see,
it gets if it got
if
jammed.
it gets jammed,
Oh, okay,
you see,
all right.
you see where the paper is coming from. And
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
pull it down.
I guess also like I was just with the fax machine. Sometimes it doesn't pull up every sheet, right?
Yeah.
But you said these machines are pretty foolproof, right?
Yeah.
All right, all right.
At least so far from what I've experienced.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So what's and then so is there any other steps or?
After you're done scanning, you can look at your scan, see
Yeah.
if it's good enough. If it's good enough, you can save as a PDF, right?
Yeah.
So usually when you click save PDF, it'll save all the pages. But if there was a page that you wanted to choose especially, you just click that page, and then click the arrow, and then just go selected.
Yeah.
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 But if you wanted to save all of it, arrow all, and then you're good.
So all
will be for the
PDF.
everything
Yeah,
scanned.
it'll change everything to PDF.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'll save it as a PDF.
Okay. So if I wanted to, is it already changed to PDF?
No, not yet. I haven't clicked it.
Okay, so let's do that.
Yeah.
I want to do all of it.
So we'll save all of it, and then we'll just give it a name like test. And save. Boom. So your PDF has been saved, and there it is.
You saved it to my desktop, right?
Yep, it's right
Yeah.
here.
Right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's it, right?
Exactly.
All right. Thanks a lot.
No problem.